problems. Okay, same problem. Okay, it's a 60, it's a 30, okay. It's a 6 meters, it's a 2, it's a 4. So you can took any type of loading. Okay, we already derived fixed end moments for different loading, so no need at all. So that's why we take simple loading. Okay, that's it. So solve it and find out the bending moment diagram. So now you can see this is A, this is B, this is C. So now you can observe it. Kinematic nemesis is 2. What is the 2? Theta P and theta C. Those are the kinematic nemesis. We require two equilibrium equations. Two equilibrium equations. Okay. Those are the two equilibrium equations are two giant equations. Two giant equilibrium equations. Okay. We'll see it. So same problem. Nothing more than this. See. First we will write fixed end moments for AB. For AB span, fixed end moments taken at fixed. Okay. AB support fixed. This is 60 to 4. So what is the value? MAB is what? MAB is what? 60 4 2 square divided by L square. That's it now. Okay, what is that value? That value is 26.67. So MBA 60, so 4 square 2 divided by 6 square. What is that value? This value is 53.33. You already know 60 is very near to the support P. That's automatically it will. So take it. So we take these are both are hogging moments only, but we'll take it as a clockwise. It will come like this, it will come like this. Okay, so clockwise is positive, anti-clockwise is negative. See, this is negative, this is positive. Okay, so that's it. And also BC span also taken. This is span. $36. So MBC is what? W L square by 12. What is that value? That value is 90. So MCB also 90, but it's negative, it's a positive. You already know it. So for the next problems, I don't explain these type of diagrams, these type of values. I will directly give the value. So these are the lengthy problems. Go on. It's lengthy. Okay. For the just it's starting problems. That's why I write elaborately. Okay. So now see. Now you can observe it. So slope deflection equations. Slope deflection equation. MAB. Direct final moment. What will come? MAB plus 2EI by L 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. You already know it. MBA is MBA theta A 2 theta B minus 3 delta by L. Okay. Same thing MBC B. So 2 theta B theta C MCB theta B theta C. These are the slope deflection equation. Okay, so now you observe it. Observe it. Theta A is 0. You already know it. Okay, and also there is no support settlements. There is no support settlements. No? So that's why you can directly strike out. Directly strike out there is no support settlement, strike out. Theta A is 0, strike out. And L first span is 6 meters, second span also 6 meters. You will write 6 6 6 6. Okay, and also I will write these values 26.67, this value is 53.33, this is minus 90, this is plus 90. Okay, that's it now. That's it. Now we have to solve these equations, and now finally we will get these moments. How can you solve? So if you see theta B and theta C, two unknowns are there. Exactly, huh? So we require two equilibrium equations. What are the two equilibrium equations? We require two equilibrium equations. Okay, so that is joint B equilibrium equations. If you see joint B, it's a joint of B. BC is in also, this is MBC, this is MBA. Understood? So joint also is in equilibrium. So what you will get? MBC plus MCB is equal to 0. See, those are the both are taken as a clockwise direction. Maybe later we will get plus or minus, we will see later. So, okay, these are all two. So not a clockwise. If you see, we write these equations are all in clockwise. So that's why clockwise is positive, anti-clockwise is negative. See, MBC we write as a negative, MBA also negative. But indirectly, if you want to write down, we write as a clockwise, na? So this is a clockwise, this is also in clockwise. Okay, clockwise, MBC we say. So we write it like this. So MBA plus MBC is equal to 0, because joint is also is in equilibrium. Joint is also is in equilibrium, na? So every joint is in also is in equilibrium, every point is in equilibrium. Okay, so that is one equilibrium equation. Second equilibrium equation, so joint C. So joint C means, if you see, taken joint C, it is a hinge support. So the moment is 0. That's it now. So that's it, the moment is 0. MCB is 0. Sorry, the joint MBC, that's BA and BC. That's the first joint B. So this is second equilibrium equation. Are understood? Those are the equilibrium equations. Based on that, you can solve it and find out the theta B and theta C. Then you can find out the moments. That's enough. Are understood? So start with MAB and MBC is 0. How can you start with? Start first. See, 53.33 plus 2EI by 6 2 theta B. That's it, na? That's it. MBC minus 90 plus 2EI by 6 2 theta B plus theta C is 0. Okay, that's one thing. Second equation is, this is MCB is 0 because it's a hinge support. So 90 plus 2EI by 6 theta B plus 2 theta C is 0. So those are the two equations, equilibrium equations. Okay, so now these are the two unknowns, two equations. Get it, solve it, get it and solve it, find out the theta B and theta C. But you can write it, we didn't give any value of EI, they didn't provide any value of EI, so you have to write down the EI theta B is equal to the 70. So EI theta C is minus 170. You will get it. So okay, these two equations, two unknowns now, theta B, theta C. That's it. You can solve it. Find out theta p and theta c in terms with EA. If they are given EA value, so you can directly. So now you can observe it. Theta b is in clockwise. So positive na. Theta c is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Just solve it. No need to ask, sir, how can you solve it? Because these are the two equations and two unknowns. One, you can first you have to write one in terms of the other, one in terms of the other, and then you can solve it, you will get it. Okay, these are the 8th class standards, I think. Okay, we solved so many problems from the last 1 year in surveying and everything. Okay, these two equations, two unknowns, solve it, and later you will place these two values in terms of the, where is these values. Okay, you put those values exactly na? Exactly you have to put it. For this somewhat taken time. For this task you have to take at least 10 minutes. Okay, just see it is. So theta b and theta c you just taken, so at least 5 minutes extra. So later you can find out MAP is 3.33. Just you have to put these values in these values. So, okay, theta b theta c. So MAB is 100, MBC is minus 100, MCB is 0, CB is 0. So see, MBA is 100, MBC is minus 100. So the joint is in equilibrium. The moment at that support B is only one value, that is 100. That is only 100. So okay, see, if you take in this value, so MAB is minus 3, minus means it's minus 3.33 anti-clockwise. BA is clockwise. This is 100. MBC is anti-clockwise. This is 100. Both are 100. If you write 100, 100, you have to mention the sign. See, there is no sign convention. That's why we give positive. That's why we give negative. If you directly write 100, 100, so one is positive, one is negative, you have to represent the direction. If you represent the direction, no need of sign. Okay, so this direction. See, it is 100, it's 100. But if you see, the giant has only one moment. What is that moment? It is 100. What is the direction? There is no positive or negative. What is that meaning? It's a hogging moment. Are understood? It's a hogging moment at support B. Are understood? That's it. This support is 0. So now you can write down the bending moment diagram. Now you can write down the bending moment diagram. So negative now, just 3. It's a 100. It's a 0. It's a 0. It's a 3.33. It's a 100. These are the fixed moments. Those are the hogging moments. So what is the real moments? Real moments, if you take it, it's a point load. It's uniformly distributed load. Okay. So these are you can write down in another way. It's a point load. It's uniformly distributed load. So see this height. What is that height? It is 80. You can write PAL B by L. That's it. So what is the PAL by L? What is the maximum moment for that? 60 4 2 by 6 4 2 8 80. This value is 80. So this value is exactly of E80 will come exactly from the 2 meters. This is a 4 meters. Okay. So this value exactly of will come where, what is the value? WL square by 8. W is 38. What is that value? That value is 135. So this value is 135. Okay. So these are all cancel. These are all positive, negative will cancel. So remaining is, this is negative. This is positive. Negative, negative. This is positive. Okay. So you can easily find out what is the maximum bending moment at that for that continuous span. It is 100. 100 of hogging moment is their maximum bending moment. What is the maximum positive moment? Sagging moment. Sagging moment may be this value or maybe this value. Sir, how can you find out that value? So you can easily find out. So how can you find out? This total is 80. So exactly at that point, what is the negative value? So you can easily find out. It's a 3, it's a 100 for the span of 6 meters. 3, it's a 100. What is the exact value of this value? You can easily find out. Okay, 300. What is 70? 70 is changing from 6 meters. 70 is changing from 6 meters. What is change for 4 meters? What is a 4? 70 into 4 by 6. 2 2 is a 3. So 3 2 20. So 23. 46. Maybe 46. 46 is changing. 46 plus 3. 49. 46 plus 3. How it is that? So change is, wait, for 6 meters is the 70 is the change. No, 70 is not. So what is the change? It's a 3. It's a 100. 100 na? So 7, not 97 is the change. 3 to 100 is changing from 6 meters. Okay. Oh, we write 70. 100. 93. Okay. 97. 97 is the change of 6 meters. What is the change of 4 meters? 97 into 4 by 6. 2 3 is 3 3 is 2. 64. 64 is the change. Okay. So 64 plus 3, 67. So that's value is 67.77. School level. So this is the 67, this is the 80. So what is that value? That value is 12.225, 12 point something. So same thing, you can easily find out this value also. This is 0, this is 100. Change of 6 meters. For 6 meters is change of 100. For 3 meter exactly off, it will come as a 50. That's the 50. That's it, na? Exactly off, it's the 50. So this is 135. What is the value? So 85. So that's 85. So positive, maximum positive moment is 85. That's it, na? So maximum negative moment is 100. So you have to design the section for 100 because there is positive, negative. We don't know, but we have to put the same cross section throughout the span most probably. So we have to design the cross section for 100. How to design? We'll go to the see in the RC section. That's it, na? That's the end of the story. And you can directly, you can easily also find out the shear force diagram also. Shear force also. Shear force also, how it's like. So it's uniformly distributed load. So it will come like this. And it's a point load. And like this. It will come like this shear force diagram. Okay. That's it. That's it. So, and now I want to explain this problem. If you take in this is a somewhat hectic, not hectic, you have to solve these things and theta b and theta c. So these are the two unknowns, na? Two unknowns, two equations. It's a if you feel somewhat it's lengthy, you can easily find out. How can you find out? I will explain something. If you see, if one thing is both are fixity. It's okay. So what we did, we just allow moment. That's a 4ei theta b by L. If you apply the put theta, you will get like this. How much? 2ei by L into theta b. So if you take it, it's a, it's a. You already know it. But if you see, the final end is hinge. If it is the final end of the hinge, you see, it is a hinge support. If it is a hinge support, if you applied a moment like this, it will come like this. Okay. So if it is theta a, how much it is? So what is theta? We already said what is it? ML by 3i. So this is theta is ML by 6a. Na? So if you applied 3i theta a by L, that's it. Na? This has theta, but there is no moment up. There is no moment transferred to this location. Are understood? There is no moment transferred to this location. This if it is a hinge. If it is a hinge, we just taken as a intermediate. All understood? We just taken as intermediate. Everything is considered as a fixed. So that's why if you applied a 4a theta by L moment, it will reach to 2a by L theta moment for the another end. So m by 2. But if it is a farther end is hinge. Farther end is hinge. There is no moment transferred. There is no moment transferred. Are understood? So that's it. If you taken like this, if you taken this thing into your consideration, you can reduce this problem into only one indeterminacy. We can avoid this theta c. You can avoid this theta c. So how can you avoid? Just you can easily find out the whole matters into only theta b. Only theta b. Just you find out the only theta b, you can find out the everything. How can you, sir? We can reduce this total indeterminacy into from 2 to 1. How? I will see. I will explain. Some of the textbooks they write this shortcut, but if you want interested, do it. Otherwise, for your matter. Okay. So if you see it, now you will see. So fixed end moments is m a b m b a. MAB and MBA. Okay, so I will say that these are the one is fixed, one is hinged. That's it, na? One is hinged. So just taken these three diagrams. Okay, so one is fixed, one is a hinged support. If it is a hinged support, final moment at this location is what? Final location at this moment is 0. You already know it, but we just consider the fixed end moment is MBA. Understood? MBA. Okay, so see, one thing you have to first see. First, it is a fixed we assume it. We calculated MAB and MBA, but we already know it. It has a moment of 0. So I will apply it. See, MBA is this direction, MAB this direction. Okay, MAB this direction. So it is the moment is finally going to be 0. That means what? You have to apply the same moment, opposite direction. That's it. Same moment. If you apply the same moment at the opposite direction, its moment is going to be 0. It's going to be 0. Understood? Just it has a fixed end moments for the loading. Something loading is there, something different loading. We find out the fixed end moments of MBA and MAB. Okay. But this finally this moment, this point goes to be 0. Moment is 0. That's why I want to do it like this. If you want to apply the same moment opposite direction, so finally its moment is 0. But if you apply the same moment opposite direction, so half of the moment goes to in this direction. That's it, na? Half of the moment goes to in this direction. So what is the fixed end moment here? So first MAB, later half of the MBA. This is the now this is the fixed end moment. This fixed end moment is 0. This fixed end moment is 0. That's first thing. Later if you see, later its support, A support is going to be deform, not a deform, it gives a rotation. So we don't consider any rotation at C because we don't need at all. Okay, says C. If you applied a rotation at B, A, it's going to be theta A. We already know it. The slope is ML by 3A. That's why we call it as a 3EI theta A by L. If you applied a moment at here, it will create theta A moment. See, theta A rotation. It will create theta B, but we don't require. Just see it. We don't require. Okay, I understood. That's thing for now. And also one thing you have to observe it. One thing, it's a fixed support, it is a hinge support. If the differential settlement is also there, if support differential settlement is there like this, how it will come like this? It will give some slope because it's a hinge, na? It's a hinge. Because it's a hinge, so it will give slope, but there is no slope at all. So how much moment is generated in this? How much moment? We already derived. So both ends are fixed. We get 6EA by delta by L. So 6EA delta by L square. If one thing is hinge one thing is fixed, how much moment? How much moment? Otherwise you can easily find out. How otherwise you can easily find out? See, it's a moment. Moment is 0. Moment is some moment m. Some moment is m. That's it. Na? So it is rotation is, so deflection is delta. So taken this is 2/3 of L. So taken this rotation is m by EI. M by EI. Na? This is m by EI, and area is what? L, and it's a 1/2. This is a total area, and deflection is moment na 2/3 by L. That is the deflection area moment method. So what you will get? You will get 2 cancel, ml by 3I, ml square by 3I. So what is m? M is 3EI delta by L square, not a 6EI. We already derived. Otherwise, if you forget it, just see it. So if one thing is support is hinge, one thing is fixed, how much moment it will get? 3 delta by L square. There is no moment generated at another end because it's a hinge support. So now you can just sum this. So we taken one is fixed, another is a hinge. The fixed end moment is this value MAB plus half of the MBA. Okay, so that's it. And the rotation is, moment is generated. If some rotation is generated at the support, how much moment is 3A by delta by L, and the other support is some sinking differential settlement is there, 3A delta by L square. So sum it, you will get MAB, you will get it MAB plus half of the MBA, that is a fixed end moments, we will call it as a dash, plus 3A by 3A theta A by L plus 3A delta by L square. You will write this as MAB dash 3A by L theta A plus delta by L. Okay, that's it. You can write it. You can write like this, no problem at all. You will get like this, very easy. Sir, how can we solve the problem like this? sorry, you see, these are all clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Okay, just negative sign. Okay, sir, how can we use this equation for this problem, sir? For this problem. Okay, that's our doubt. So if you see, for that AB span, you can write these two equations, no problem at all. For the BC span, if you see, BC span is, C is a hinge support, B is a intermediate support, it behaves as a fixed support. So B is fixed, C is a hinge. So you can write down, see, I will write down again same the equations. So this will very useful here. You see, first MAB is MAB plus 2EA by L 2 theta A plus theta B. So no need of those things. Okay, so MBA is MBA 2EI by L theta A plus 2 theta B minus 3 delta by is not required. So for BC span, for theta BC, see it is. For theta BC, B is a fixed. So for BC, you can write directly. You can write using this equation. So M of BC dash plus 3I by L theta B minus of delta by L. MCB is 0. We already know it. For the last span, if the span end is hinged, you can use these two equations. Sir, how can we use? You can use it. See, we already know it. Theta A is 0. Delete. This delete. Okay. You can use like this. See, delete. Okay, delete. We already know this MAB is what, how much it is. This is a minus 26.7, this is 53.33. Okay, so this value is 0. So in this C, theta B is unknown, theta B is unknown, theta B is unknown. Okay, what we get, we want this also, theta B is unknown, delta is 0. One unknown, what is that unknown? Theta B is one unknown. So what is MBC? What is MBC? So fixed end moment of converted or final modified fixed end moment. What is modified fixed end moments? MAB plus half of MBA. What does that mean? See where it is, where it is, where it is. See, MBC is 90, MCB is 19. Half of the 90 is what? 45. So MBC modified is 90 plus half of the 90. So is 135 minus 135. That's it. Sir, why it is, sir? Directly you can write 3 by 2 of 90, but it's somewhat different. If you see in this, see, it's a 26, it's a 53. So that's why I write. So it's a 26 and half of the other end comes to the picture. So why it is comes to the picture? We explain like here. We explained like here. So MBA fixed end moment we write it, but finally it going to be 0. That's why we applied the same moment opposite direction. If you write this opposite direction, it will come to the same direction of this, because half it is transferred to the other end. So that's it. So if you see 90, 90, 135, 45, 135. So if you see, it's a minus 135. It's minus 135, na? It's a minus 135. So that's it. If you see these three equations, just sufficient. No need of theta C. No need of theta C. We don't want. Just write down the three equations. Only one unknown is there. What is that unknown? Theta B is unknown. Theta B is unknown. We don't require theta C. Three equations we write down. Only one equation, one unknown. So how can we solve it? We solve by only one equilibrium equation. What is that equilibrium equation? Giant equilibrium equation of B is equal to 0. M at B equal to 0. How? What is that way? What is that equation? MBA plus MBC is 0. You can just submit those two values, those two. You will get is equal to 0. You will write EI theta B in terms of some value. What is that value? You will get the same value of 490. See, 70. What you previously get, you will get the same thing. Otherwise, you will check it. Otherwise, you will check it. You will get the same value of EI theta B. What you will get previously? That is where it is. You will get like this. You will get the same value. So that's it. Once you got that value, you will place this EA by theta into this value, this value, this value. You will get the same answers. So now you see, we will reduce the indeterminacy of 2 into 1. So how can we eliminate the requirement of the theta C? We eliminate the requirement of theta C based on the slope deflection equation. How can we write it? The differential modified slope deflection equations. Modified slope deflection equations are these two. Modified. How to modify? We reduce. We delete the fixed end at the farthest end. We relate the fixed end into the hinge end. If it is a hinge end, how can we form? We form this like this. Okay, we form the slope deflection equation like this. You can write it. So that's it now. That's it. Otherwise, some textbooks they have very small knowledge. That's why they write down the equations of anything, how many number of equations, you will solve it like go through this. But if you have an idea of exactly how to shuffle, how to modify it, how to play with the equations, you can write down these modified equations. Okay, so that's it. That's the story of I want to explain. So this is nowhere given much of explanation. When I see in some structural Devadas Menon textbooks, you get this type of explanation. Remaining textbooks, they just did the same equation solved, It's like a 7th class, 8th class equation. If you have a somewhat idea how to formulate the equations, this is the problem. This is you can get easily. Okay, this is you can easily solve different problems in different. So okay, this is the one thing I will give, but it is your choice. If you want a If you want to solve so many equations, you can solve it. Otherwise, if you want to reduce those number of equations into this type, you can easily, okay, you can easily do it. So if you see, I will give the same example. If you see, if I will give this, this is the equation. This is 60, this is 30, same na, 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters. If you see, you can solve this problem in a force method is very very easy, because in a force method it has only 1 degree of indeterminacy. That's it na. In force method it's a 1 degree of indeterminacy. We just did it like a propped cantilever. So see, understand? So it has some different loadings. So by this you will get this deflection at the bottom point. At this point we put a opposite direction. So we solve like this problem. Understood? Only one equation we solve it, force methods. But if you see in the deflection methods, how many what is the unknowns? What are the kinematic indices? If you see, kinematic indices is theta A, theta B, theta C. If you release the rotations, or if you release the indeterminacy, the problem will expand. If you see, last call, we solved this problem very easily, because it has only one indeterminacy of theta B. So today we solve some more equations. Today we solve for, say, 2 equations. We solve this. This is easy, this is somewhat moderate, this is difficult in deflection methods, because kinematic indeterminacy is increasing. But if you see same force method, we already solved force methods. In force methods it is very easy, because only one indeterminacy. It is somewhat moderate, it is very difficult. It is a fixed beam. We solved some equations, because you see, it has one indeterminacy, it's 2 indeterminacy, the 3 indeterminacy. Are understood? Differentiate between force methods and deflection methods. So if I want to solve this problem of example in a deflection method. In a deflection method, you will get theta A, theta B, theta C. 3 indeterminacy is there. You want to find out theta A, theta B, theta C, you will get 3 equilibrium equations. What are the 3 equilibrium equations? Moment at A is 0. We already know. Moment at C is 0. So moment at C means MCB is 0, MAB is 0. Finally, small ab, small cb. And also equilibrium, giant equilibrium, MBA plus MBC is 0. By these 3 equations, you will solve, and you will get 3, theta A, theta B, theta C. Later you have to do place in the equations, you will get the values. But if you see modified equilibrium equations, this is also free end. This is a free end. So you will write modified equilibrium equations for this AB span, for BC span. You consider theta C is eliminated, theta A is eliminated, only theta B is there. So you will reduce 3 indeterminacy into only 1 by writing a modified equilibrium equations. Are you getting? Only one equilibrium equation, that is sufficient. This only one equilibrium equation is sufficient to solve this problem. In displacement methods also, how can you solve? Just write it. Modified equilibrium equations for AB span. Consider A is a hinged support, B is a fixed support. You will write modified equilibrium equations for like this. You will get MBA like something. MAB we don't require. MAB is 0. We already know it. So only you will get only 2 equations. In those 2 equations only you will get theta B is unknown. Directly you will write MABA plus MBC is 0. Only one equation you will solve it. You will get only theta B, and you can find out the MBA. See, this moment at that giant B. That's it, na? That's it. You will reduce. What is the power of that weapon? Modified differential equation. So differential equation. You get the power of the power. Otherwise, sir, I don't need power. So you will solve theta, these three equations, three unknowns, you will solve it, you will get, and you will initiate or reintroduce those values, and you will get the values. So, okay, I want you to do the problem into general three equilibrium equations, three unknowns, you will solve it, and later modified equations also, you will write the modified equations and solve, only you will get theta b and you will get it. So I want you to do the problem. So you already know how can the bending moment diagram will come. Bending moment diagram will come this. I don't know the values, this, and again these are the negative, sorry, you will get this. You already know it. This value is 80, this value is 135. You just want to this value. We already solved this type of problem in the force methods. I want to do solve into displacement methods. Okay, that's it. That's the story. And I want to explain another problem. So it's not a big problem. I want to show, just see, very same problem. So I want to skip the values. So now we will see. It said 20. Sir, every time same type of loading. Sir, change the same loading. You can change it because we already know the fixed moments for different loading, so no problem at all. That's why we'll give same. Okay, it's a 2 EI, it's a EI, it's a 2, it's a 2, it's 8 meters. Okay, EI is 4000 kilonewton meter square. Okay, support B is sink by 10 mm. That's the question mark. Support B is sink by 10 mm. So how can you solve? Same problem. I will write directly. MAB is what? Fixed end moment. Fixed end moment is WL square by 8. So 28 square by 8. 28 8 not 8. It's a 12. WL square by 12. What is that? There's a minus 106.67. MBA is plus 106.67. MBC is BC is exactly half PL by 4, 64 by 8. So it's a 30. It's a minus 30. CB is plus 30. These are the fixed end moments. Okay. So how can you write this? MAB is minus 106.67. 2E. It's C. It's a 2EI. 2 of 2EI divided by 8. 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. MBA is 106.67. 2 of 2EA by 8. Theta A, 2 theta B delta by L. MBC is minus 30. It's just EA. It's just EA. L is 4. 4. 2 theta B theta C minus 3 delta by L. MCB is plus 30. 2 theta B 2 theta C minus delta L. Okay, so you will write these equations. See, see, differential settlements. Differential settlement is what? B is sink by 10 mm. If B is sink by 10 mm, B is sink by 10 mm. So if you observe it, you already know it. B is sink by 10 mm. 10 mm. So BA, so it has also 6A by L. It has also 6A by, sorry. Okay, it's also 6A by L. It's a 6A by L. L square. We'll get it. So that's why we include delta by L, delta by L. Okay. Okay, no problem. If B is sink by 10 mm, C is also stationary. So in this BC also, BC also getting BC also getting the same moments. This is also 6EA delta by L square. 6EA delta by L square. Okay, 6EA by delta L square. But if you observe it, just observe it. Just observe it. So otherwise I will write it. Six CA delta by L square. It's a 6CA by delta L square. No problem at all. Just observe it. When we write down the equations, last class, 6CA by delta L square is in opposite direction. So anti-clockwise will get, that's why we write down like, what is that? Minus. Na? So if you see today, for the AP span is okay. The equilibrium equations, so that slope deflection equations is exactly correct in the because so we get the same anti-clockwise direction, we write down this minus 3 by s. These are correct. But if you see BC span, the moments will get clockwise direction. That means what? It's a plus. Sir, how can we write down, sir? How can we write like this? How can we remember? So you remember? You have to remember. No need to remember. But if you just write down the free bodies, you will easily get. Otherwise, one thing you can do it. For the span of AB, B sync is okay. For the AB span, if A is sync, you will get minus stability. You can write like this. So if you see, for the BC span, B is sync, that's why you have to take minus delta. You will take minus delta. If you remember like this, okay, no problem. Otherwise, if you have some good knowledge about how the moments is generated, you can directly write like this. See, it's sinking. These are the moments generated in this direction. You already know it. So these are all both are clockwise direction. So you can write directly positive. Otherwise, if you remember like this, in a span of AB, B sync, it's okay. Moment equilibrium equations are exactly slope deflections you call right. But AB span A is sync, you have to take negative direction. Okay, negative direction. Otherwise, if AB span A is higher compared with B, it's okay. But A is below the B span. A is below the support of B, below the level compared with the support of B, it will take negative. Why is that negative? So that's it. See, it's a clockwise moments are generated. You already know how the moments are generated. We explained some critically. Okay, so we take a moment with something. We take an rotation. So this rotation. We so many did. How this rotation? Okay, no need at all. So that's it, na. So that's why you have to take plus sign, or otherwise you have to take negative delta. Okay, anything. Okay, so that's it. You can solve now you can solve this problem. Okay, how can you solve, sir? See how many indeterminacy is there. Theta b, theta c. Two indeterminacy is there. So we require two equilibrium equations. What is that equilibrium equations? Giant equilibrium equation at B, BA plus BC is 0. So another is equilibrium equation is bending moment at C is 0 because C is a hinge joint. So these are the two equations. Solve it, you will get theta b. Now we gave EA value also, so you will get theta b and also theta c. If you know these two values, theta a is 0. You already know it. Theta a is 0. I will strike out theta a. Okay. So only theta b, theta c. So if you know these two values, you will place it and you will find out the bending moment diagram. Okay. You will find out the bending moment diagram. How you will get the bending moment diagram? I will show you. Bending moment is something like this. at A 170 135.75, it will get 60. It is 0. You already know it. At 60, so it has uniformly distributed load. You will get like this. It's a point load. You will get like this. Its maximum point is 160. Its maximum point is again 60. Both are 60. So you can write down the shear force equation also, shear force also. So what to get? Shear force. It's a point load, na? It's a point load. It will come like this, and it's a uniformly distributed load. It will come like this. And also you can see, it is also the lateral end is hinge joint. Lateral end is hinge joint. You can reduce the equilibrium equations requirement is from 2 to 1. How can you, sir? You can write down the modified equilibrium equations. You can delete this MCP. You can write only MBC. So then you can only the availability equation is only theta P. Sir, how can you write down the modified equilibrium equation? We already write down. Where it is? We already write down the equation. See, this is. You can write down the MBC. MBC like this. So you can just avoid this. Maybe if you have chance, you will write down just to MBC modified. What is that modified? MBC plus half of the MCB, that is modified, and 3A delta by L. So sorry, 3A by L 2 theta B minus delta by L. But it's not a minus, it's a minus of minus delta, so you will get positive. That's it, na? You will already know it. Minus of minus is positive. Directly if you write this equation, so no need of theta C. That's it, na? This is MBC. You can write the MBC, and you will just maintain MBC plus MBA is 0. You will get theta B. That's it. You will get MBC and MBA, MAB. You will write it. You will check it. That's it, na? That's a easy task. And you can enhance your knowledge. Why we write these equilibrium equations? Yesterday class, you can just search it once again. You will see how we write the equilibrium equations. See, not equilibrium, slope deflection equations. And if you understand the yesterday's equilibrium equations, how we write it, you will later shift into the. So one support is hinge. You will get a more idea. Are understood? So now this problem also you can reduce indeterminacy of 2 to 1 by you can write modified differential equation. Modified, not a modified slope deflection equation. Okay, that's it, now. So you will check it. This is also you can check it once again. Okay, you all first you can solve this problem, and later you will check this problem into modified differential equations, modified slope deflection equation. That's it, now. That's it. That's the enough. And next class we will see the frames. You can do this type of problems in how many supports, how many, you go. So this, how many? Any number of time. So theta B, theta C, theta D. It's a 3 unknowns, 3 equations. You can solve it. If you increase the number of supports, it's going on. We can solve it. 3 equations, 3 unknowns. 4 equations, 4 unknowns. That's it. 4 equations, 4 unknowns, we can't solve by manually, so it requires some algorithm. Okay, so you can solve, and if any support is sinking, no problem. If you see, if any this type of problem, if theta B, so B support is sinking, for AB span you will write delta, for BC span you will take minus delta, for CD span there is no delta, because only sinking of support is B, na? So that's it. Na? That's it. So you can solve any type of support conditions, and the settlement of supports also we can solve it. So that's the end of the story. Tomorrow we will solve this frames. Are understood? We will solve the frames. That's it.